you know, we're doing another episode of Wealth Building, and this is particularly on building your portfolio if you're just getting started. Week 1, we talked about your income and your job situation. Week 2, we talked about your personal residence that you're going to get, and then start the acquiring process in step 4, which is after you've gotten your personal residence. So now we're really at step 5, which is a rinse and repeat of step 4. So if you decided to acquire your first rental property, then you want to do the BRRRR method, take the cash equity out of that home, turn around and purchase another rental property, and so on and so forth until you've probably built up 10, maybe 15, just kind of depends on the numbers of the properties that you can then bundle them all up, sell them, and take the income from that sale and then invest in the next step up the ladder, which we will talk about next week. So again, this step is really rinse and repeat. Continue to acquire rental properties, maybe do a couple flips here and there to get your cash flow in, but really just acquiring rental properties to hold. See you next week.